In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to register your hotel in Expedia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to do this process through the official Expedia website at www.expedia.com. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to the website and you will be able to select List Your Property at the top menu. When you click List Your Property, you will be immediately redirected to this page. As you can see, through this page, you will be able to register your hotel over here. So choose between a lodging or a private residence. As you can see, their description is listed for lodging as a hotel, motel, or bed and breakfast, and for a private residence, a private home, apartment, or vacation home. Regardless of which option you pick, you will have to select it from the map. So using the interactive map, look for your property and then include the address over here. Select Next and you will have to include more details about the property. Include a name, the property type from this drop-down list, the number of apartments or units that you have, the currency which you accept in this property, and answer these two questions. Does this property work with a channel manager, and is this property part of a chain? Select Next, and to finalize this and actually list your property inside of Expedia, you will need to create an account inside of the Expedia group. After you include this personal information and you click Next, they will place a review upon your property, and if everything looks okay, it will be listed under the Expedia travel options, and people are going to be able to find it when they include your place over here onto the destination search. I hope I was able to help you on how to register your hotel on Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.